Now, in order to preserve those minerals, I cold press. I add no heat whatsoever. And then the almond. You can use the oil in your hair, everywhere on your body. You can use it for dry skin, itchy skin. You can use it for eczema, psoriasis, makeup remover, or as a base for your makeup. If you have piercing, like your earrings, you can put it on your ear and it keeps your where you have your ears moist so it doesn't get dry or anything like that. Elders can use it for thinning off the skin. Babies can use it for diaper rash, cradle cap, heat rash, or it can also be used as a personal moisturizer, or as an intimate moisturizer, I should say. Like my wife don't always clown me out. So I don't want to say it. So I said it this time. You got it on camera.